humans. And so I am bringing up now Dr. Eric Verdin, who's the CEO at the Buck Institute for the Research on Aging. And I wanted Eric here to close us out because he's been part of this, of actually starting to think about some of these solutions and how do we go back to humans. Eric.
Thank you, Jamie. Let me also join the two of you in congratulating you, Peter, and Evolution for bringing us together here. I think we live in an extraordinary time in the way that many of us in this room have been in this field for 20, 25 years, doing work in mice and worms and Drosophila that, frankly, many of us did not think would have any relevance to human biology. And so we're right at this juncture where the time is now to actually move this into humans. And as we've heard at the meeting and in many of the discussions, there are enormous challenges in doing this. It's easy to increase the lifespan of mice and model systems, and we do this routinely in the lab. But when you go into humans, there's an enormous barrier of safety. Yep. And frankly, we're trying to rewrite the rules of medicine, how research is done and how clinical trials are done. So in some way, what really excites me about the prize is, of course, the possibility of winning because we're all competitive. But it's more the catalytic nature of this idea to actually get us to work together and define what are the rules of how are we going to translate the science of aging into the clinic. And so for this, I'm incredibly grateful. The Buck Institute that I represent will be a participant, and we will bring all of our knowledge accumulated in the last 20 years of the biology of aging to try to really transform not only aging research, but healthcare and how we age. And just imagine, the vision of 10 years from now, 7 years from now, actually, that we will be back on this stage, being able to actually provide to humanity a potential solution of increasing health span and lifespan. So I could not be more excited to be here.
Gosh. Well, this is great. So you have all given some food for thought. Now, it's the time for the call to arms. So I brought up 3 potential teams. We're looking forward to having more teams join, compete, be part of this conversation. But first, who's going to win?
Yeah, we all going to win.
I guess that's exactly the point. We will all win by